How you doing? It's Johnny C. Yesterday we were at Seaside Heights at Lucky Leo's, and the girls cashed in on a lot of their tickets from last year, and they got themselves a vintage popcorn maker. It's the first time I've ever made popcorn in a vintage popcorn maker, so let's see how I do. I turned it on. You got to let the kettle inside heat up for at least 5 minutes. So it's been about 6 minutes. I want it really hot. Hope it's not too hot for when I add the oil to it, but we'll see. All right, so I'm going to turn. This is the light. Very neat. It's a great feature. I love the light a lot. And this is the function. So I'm going to turn it off. See, I'm all ready here. I have my Nature's Promise organic kettle corns ready to be popped. I got, of course, pure Wesson vegetable oil. I mean, you have to have pure, right? Of course. And I have a little sugar and salt, just a little bit, for the first batch, because this is a kettle. This is a kettle cooking vintage popcorn machine. We want to be like we're actually in the theaters. I don't know what that noise was. You can see here, there's a little thing that I can turn. It opens, and I guess I can open the inside. But again, I'm going to try all of this. So this came with your own custom measuring spoon, one for the oil, one for the kettle. So here we go. I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to use this to fill up the vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add I think the salt and butter, and then I'll add the kettle corn, and it should be popping soon, they said. So, okay, then I'm going to go like this here. Okay, okay, get the oil ready. Okay, watch out, not too close, Sarah. Okay, here we go, just in case I spill a little. Put it over the sink, always. Okay. I got my oil. Alright, watch out there. Okay, here we go. I'm going to come over here. Come over here, Sarah. And I'm going to... Not the hot. That's hot. Okay, I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to... Okay. Alright, put the oil in. You know, maybe I'll move it around a little there. Okay. Just that was a thought. And now I'm going to get the kettle corn ready. Almost dropped it. Okay, this is, I'm really nervous here. This is not pizza. This is, oh, I should add the salt and sugar. Almost forgot the salt and sugar. Don't want to do that. Okay. Yeah. Mix it around again. Okay, alright, now we're going to get the kettle corn. You know, these bags, you know, these Ziploc, it's like, oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. You would think that's not a lot of popcorn, but they say it is. I'm going to put that here. Here we go. Watch out. Don't touch it, Brianna. Okay. It's really tough because you gotta hold it and pour it. I mean, okay. All right, now I'm going to turn it back on. Well, maybe I should close this first. Okay. Close this first. Okay. Come from the front, Sarah. Zip that bag. I don't want those falling, Brianna. It's really mixing everything right now. You hear it mixing? It's mixing the oil and the sugar. It's all becoming one on the kettle. And soon we'll hear pop, 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 pop. Right? Pop, 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 pop. I can smell the butter and the salt and sugar mixing right now. And I think soon we're going to hear a pop. They say it's not long. Shh. Oh. Oh. Girls, how you doing? All right? You're excited? Mommy's excited too, right, Mama?
Yes, extremely.
Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Come on, pop.
It sounds like a fart.
Quiet. I mean, it definitely said to put the, here, film me here. It definitely said to put the oil after you heat up. I read the instructions about 10 times, so I think I did that right. I mean, it's hot. I don't know, should I shake it a little maybe?
No. I wouldn't do that.
Maybe I should have, well, you would think the thing's spinning, it's spinning the corns. Oh, I see a little condensation in here. I bet we're going to hear a pop real soon.
We already did, like 2.
No.
Dude, it's fogging.
Oh, I see it
What's happening?
heating up.
Yeah, it's fogging.
It's fogging up. Oh,
Oh, I see something there.
hold that camera straight.
Hey, you can cut that out of the video if you like.
Oh. Oh. Oh, this is real. It's mixing. This is the kettle, folks. The kettle.
It's going up. The lid.
The lid's going up.
Yeah, in the back. I think it's. And the front part.
Oh, look at that. Look at that lid.
I
Look at
think
that lid
we're
go.
gonna pop
Oh,
the popcorn.
what should I do?
No, it's fine.
Oh. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at the inside, Sarah. This is real big stuff, folks. Look at this. Wait, why's it coming out a little burnt?
Uh-oh.
Well, it was coming out a little. No, it doesn't look burnt.
No, it's not burnt. Stop messing with it. You're going to break it.
It's raining
It's a lot of
popcorn.
See?
It's on the bottom of it.
I think it's done.
Think it's done?
Yep. Now you don't want to
Wait,
burn it.
wait, look.
Okay, let's open it.
And you know, girls, how you fill it up, you're going to make different batches, more and more batches.
See this here? Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! That scared me.
Popcorn good.
Whoa. Well, I only see a couple kettles in there, not a lot. Oh! Whoa! Oh my goodness!
It's raining.
They're still popping. How do they taste? I don't eat it off the floor.
It's good.
All right, I got.
Yeah. Like, look, this one is there.
It's so cool it shoots out, right?
Yeah.
That the popcorn's strong enough to lift that lid.
That's so cool. Oh, there's the popcorn. How does it even, like, open? Like, I'm so curious how a popcorn is made from a little tiny corn.
I know. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. I wonder if we're going to learn that in science. I know. That would be so cool. And then I'll say, I got a popcorn machine at home, so I know how to use it.
This time we're adding a little special ingredient to try, right?
What is it?
Well, we'll wait. We'll wait till all the popcorn's ready. I think that's it, right?
I don't want it to explode on me.
Whoa. It wants to come out.
Look, it's just bursting. It's like, come on, little buddies, let's do this thing. It's like squiggly, like he wants to come out of his hole, but he can't. What are you doing?
All right, John, don't do that while it's working, honey.
I don't know
All right, I
what
think-
that's for, though.
I think it's done.
How do you
To tilt it, to get it out. I think it's sunny to shut it off. Be careful, honey.
Oh.
That's it. One
Okay. Wait, not yet, not yet. We have to do the special
What a
ingredient.
special ingredient. Special ingredient. Look at all that fresh popcorn. So fresh.
Sound like you're like a Barbie doll, like you're gonna like. It's so fresh. How
All
does
right, add the special ingredient. Leave those for now. Keep them warm, Anna.
Wait, can I take one?
Okay, here we go. Look at this. Parmesan cheese, huh? We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese.
That's the secret ingredient.
That's because we're Italian. Well, Sicilian, really. All right, and how are we gonna mix it up, Mom? Oh, just with the hands. All right, let me taste. See if I can taste it.
What if you can't taste it? Then it's gone.
Always go for a nice handful. Never one or
Okay,
two.
don't make it fall on the ground now. you taste it?
Needs more cheese. Needs more
More?
cheese. More cheese.
I can't really taste it that much.
Yeah.